Jai Sriman seeing so much of suffering and crying of Mother Kausalya Devi, finally Rama burst out saying that Tam Tadha Rudatim Ramo Rudan Vachanam Abravit while crying. Now Rama says that, "Oh Mata, Bharata is also very good son. He will definitely take extreme care of you. Please don't worry. Without me, Father Dasharatha Maharaj will be definitely going through so much of health issues also. So you have to please be there always with my father and take care of my father." Oh Mata Kausalya Devi, Stri, the woman, even if she does not worship Brahmanas, there is no problem. The woman, if she does not worship Devatas, there is no loss. But if the woman does not loves and takes care of husband very well, that is where big huge sin occurs. Oh Mata, please take care of my father. That brings so many great righteous fruits. Like that, Rama again revealing the great righteousness and tenets of our scriptures to Kausalya Devi. Rama is now asking Kausalya Devi, "Oh Mata Kausalya Devi, శుశ్రూషామేవ కుర్వీత భర్తుః ప్రియహితే రతా." అమ్మా, you please take care of Father Dasharatha Maharaju. You all be safe until I come back. When I come back, I would like to see you all safe. Oh Mata, for me to be safe there in Aranyam, for me to be come back safely, oh Mata, you please keep doing all the havans and you please keep doing all kind of pujas. Like that, Ramachandra Swami asking Kausalya Devi. Then Kausalya Mata saying, "Oh Rama, now I am realizing that I can never stop you, I cannot stop you. This is all being decided by the time and unknown Paramatma. Oh Rama, Kumara, oh my dear son, you please go now and be safe. Only after you come back, my grief will be removed. Kshemena punaragataha. You come back safely, only then we will be able to again have a nice, happy moments. Until then, I will be in the grief." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.